what we do is pretty visual. You know, we're standing out here by a county road with a few thousand flags in rows, and people sometimes wonder, you know, what's this guy doing? To me, that's a great opportunity. It gives a chance to talk to folks about that and explain what we're doing and educate, and that's something that I love to do. The job of a crop protection field development scientist is working with the technical product leads, the TPLs, helping them develop development protocols to answer specific questions that they have, whether that be developing a new active ingredient or perhaps looking at different mixtures, different timings, and so forth. Through the spring and summer, we're implementing trials, we're making applications, we're collecting data. We have internal meetings through the fall and winter where we're presenting those findings to the protocol owners, global counterparts, different folks, and basically deciding whether we've answered the questions that we set out to answer. If so, then that leads us in a particular direction going into the following year. My workload tends to focus a lot on weed control, but I also do have a number of seed care projects. One of my favorite outreach activities, if you will, was going into the elementary schools, but high schools as well, and giving talks about ag, giving talks about science, and especially giving talks about entomology.
If you met Steve before, he's very interested in helping educate kids. That's one of his passions.
We all have such a fantastic opportunity to be ambassadors for agriculture and for science. And I think if we don't take those opportunities, we are really leaving something on the table.
We have a greenhouse at our school. He's given me seeds to start to grow, and so my horticulture and landscaping class started them in the greenhouse for him. I will be forthcoming and say, okay, we're doing this for Steve, who works for Syngenta. One of these days, those kids are gonna be out in the community and they hear that company's name and they'll be like, I remember we had somebody from our class do that. So they might not be in the classroom, but they're helping with the classroom.